Hello guys, welcome to another video of Future Innovators. And I'm Moses Daniel. I'm sorry for not uploading videos from 4 months because I was doing some personal projects and one more project which I was assigned, and that is the reason it took 4 months for me to upload a video again. And let's get started for today's tutorial. And as you can see, I've upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11. I believe that some of you must have already started upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 11, as it was released in October 5th this year. Yeah, so let's go to our video text editor, and then here we have the JavaScript code written as usual, and our HTML file and our HTML file code here. So we have our array, and here are the methods I'm going to teach you today. So the first method is the filter method. Now what this filter method does, if we run the filter method on the array, any given test inside this filter method, if we pass any test, and if that test succeeds, if that test returns true, then it will return that value. So let's run this. I'll remove the comments here. So I've removed it, and let's go back to our default browser, and Firefox. So here's the output. So the test was, if the number is greater than 16, then return the number. And now you have seen this, and there's a shortcut which you can use to comment out the code. So this is a shortcut. If I mentioned it before, then you must remember, but if you don't know, so the shortcut for commenting out this code is, any code is, control plus the /. So once you do this, your code will get commented out like this. And then let's go to our next next method, which is for each method. So what the for each method does is, basically it will run a function on each value of the array. So for every array value, it will run a function, and it will return the output of the function which we ran on every value. So now for each element here, this argument element, this parameter element, is representing each and every value of the array here. So we will run a function for each and every array of value. So first we will write to the document.write. We are writing to the document, and then each element will have a br tag. It will be enclosed, or it will have a br tag by its side here. We will concatenate the br tag and the element together. So after each element, for example, after hello world, true will come, and then after hello world, true will be displayed in the next line. As you know, the br tag breaks the line. It will generate a new line, and the next output will be displayed in the new line. So here's what I'm trying to tell you. As you can see, after each value, it generates a new line, and it puts the next value inside the new line. So hello world, and then true, and then false, and then 16, and then 41.1. Okay, so we have seen about the for each method also, and then let's run the third method. So here's the method. What this method does is it checks whether the value which we have provided inside these brackets exists. So here it is. It's returning true because we have 16, as you can see here, 16 value we have inside the array. So it's returning a boolean value true. And now if we enter a value which does not exist inside, for example 20, and then it will show us false because this value does not exist in the array, as you can see. So includes method checks for any value which is present inside. If you enter any value which is not present inside, it will return false. So as we have seen how the includes method works, let's go on to the next method, which is a sort method. Now what the sort method does is it sorts, by the name you can guess, it sorts the array values accordingly. You can either sort it from A to B or B to A. You can either sort it ascending to descending or descending to ascending. So let's write it to the DOM. As you can see how this is sorted. It's sorted from left to right. And the last method for today is the toString method. The toString method, what it does is it converts the any value of the array to a string. So if I run the toString method, so now let's run this method to myArray.toString, and then if we try to display it in the DOM, as you can see, we don't see any difference here. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see content like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.